Hey new mamas, and welcome to the beautiful, wild ride of motherhood. It's a time filled with so much joy, so much wonder, and let's be real, a few moments where you just think, what am I doing? To help you sail through these precious early days with a little more confidence, I've got some essential baby care tips for you. First up, let's talk about feeding. Whether you're breastfeeding or using formula, the most important thing is that your baby is fed, happy, and healthy. If you're breastfeeding, really focus on getting a deep, comfortable latch. It honestly makes the whole experience so much better for both of you. And a little pro tip, watch your baby for signs they're full, like seeing their little hands relax, instead of just watching the clock. For all the mamas out there, no matter how you're feeding, please remember to stay hydrated and nourished. Taking care of yourself is a huge part of taking care of your little one. Next, let's get into sleep, the topic on every new parent's mind. Creating a safe and cozy sleeping space is absolutely key. Always place your baby on their back to sleep, on a firm mattress. And make sure the crib is totally clear of soft bedding, bumpers, and any fluffy toys. It might look cute, but safety comes first. A great way to signal that it's sleepy time is to establish a consistent, calming routine. Maybe a warm bath, a gentle lullaby, or reading a soft book. This can work wonders in helping your baby learn to settle down for the night and hopefully give you a little more rest too. Now, onto hygiene. Keeping things clean doesn't have to be complicated. The basics really do go a long way. For diaper changes, my best advice is to have your station organized and ready to go with all your essentials. This makes those middle of the night changes so much smoother. And always remember to clean from front to back to help prevent any infections. Bath time can be such a wonderful bonding experience. Just use lukewarm water and a mild, fragrance-free baby soap to protect their super delicate skin. It's less about a deep scrub and more about a gentle, soothing cleanse. One of the most rewarding parts of being a new parent is bonding. Seriously, embrace skin-to-skin contact whenever you can. Holding your baby close to your chest during feedings, or just cuddling up after a bath, is so powerful. It strengthens your emotional connection and provides so much comfort and security for both of you. Those quiet moments are pure magic. Finally, and this is probably the most important tip of all, remember to ask for help and always trust your instincts. You absolutely do not have to do everything by yourself. Lean on your partner, your family, your friends. Let them bring you a meal or hold the baby while you take a shower. It's okay. And please, be gentle with yourself. The postpartum baby blues are incredibly common, so talk about your feelings. You are learning and growing right alongside your baby every single day. You are exactly what your baby needs. You've got this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on this amazing journey.